Andian Technologies is excited to introduce our next generation of laser-based systems for measuring track geometry. The laser profiler can be installed without the need of welding or any permanent modifications to your high-rail vehicle. When ready for testing, the system features a quick mount for easy deployment. The system also includes safety features such as removable shrouds and beam shutters to ensure operator safety. Once set up, connect to the laser profiler through SolidTrack, part of our comprehensive software suite, and begin testing. SolidTrack allows for real-time viewing of measured data, including a live view of the rail profile. The system is capable of measuring numerous parameters, including gauge, twist, warp, alignment, degree of curve, Vmax, rail wear, and more. Only a standard 7-pin hitch connector is required for power. Shrouds and IR lasers enable testing in a variety of weather and lighting conditions. You can connect wirelessly to the system through an Andian geometry laptop, so no messy wire runs are required. It is FDA approved and allows for operators to measure track geometry at top high rail speeds. When testing is completed, simply detach the system from the toolless mount and stow it for safekeeping. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at the contact information listed. Andian Technologies, trust the innovators of track geometry.